Most whole house audio is expensive noise because it was bought like tech, not designed like architecture. Coastal homes, they don't forgive mistakes. Open floor plans, hard surfaces, big glass, doors always open. So weak audio shows fast. Here's the standard. We don't add speakers. We design a whole house music experience. 5 decisions in the right order. Part 1, zones. Whole house audio is not one system. It's zones that match real life. Kitchen, great room, primary suite, primary closet too. Yes, the closet. Outdoor dining, fire pit, pool. If your zones don't match how you entertain, you didn't design anything. You just bought gear. Goal is simple. Music feels present, not the point. Part 2, placement and quantity. This is one of my favorites. Most people think 2 big speakers over the island will cover everything. It won't. Big speakers create directional sound. 1 loud spot, dead zones everywhere. The pro move? Quantity plus placement. Beats bigger every time. Think kitchen lighting. You don't hang 1 huge fixture and call it done. You layer it. Recessed lights, pendants, under cabinet, even light everywhere. Same thing with sound. You want it smooth and buttery, full, even, never harsh. You feel it in your body, not in your ears. Part 3, speaker types and sizes. This is where people get brand obsessed and miss the point. Different spaces need different tools. Clean ceilings, small architectural lights, aesthetics matter, so we match it. Small aperture speakers, same size, same clean look. Media rooms, surround sound, you can flush mount everything. Ceiling, walls, even the subwoofer. No floor speakers, no big box subwoofer anymore. Secondary bedrooms, keep it simple. Regular 8-inch in-ceiling speakers. Hallways, go invisible. So the music just feels there. And listen, buying oversized speakers for more sound is like putting a V8 in a golf cart. Impressive, totally wrong tool. Part 4, outdoor audio. This is one of my favorite products. Outdoor audio is not optional here. It's the lifestyle. But don't do this. 2 big speakers on the back wall trying to cover the whole yard. That's blasting. What we use instead? Landscape audio. Tiny speakers, like landscape lighting. Same concept as part 2. Lots of small speakers placed around the space, so the sound is full and even everywhere. And here's the win. Because coverage is even, you keep the volume low. Neighbors don't complain. It feels like a soundtrack, not a speaker system. Part 5, control experience. This is where homes get embarrassed. Different app for every room, different remote for every mood. If your guests need instructions, it's not smart, it's a problem. You want the best experience. Wall keypads where it matters. And scenes like music, entertain, cool vibes. If you're building in Newport Beach, Corona del Mar, Laguna Beach, or Manhattan Beach, and you want audio that feels architectural, we design it end to end. Before it's too late, book a free design consult. We'll map your zones, pick the right speaker types and sizes, plan outdoor coverage before the walls get closed up. Love music? Then design it. Don't just add audio. If this helped, hit subscribe. See you on the next one.